Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the sequel. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. What we are going to learn today? We are going to learn how to list all the databases using the MySQL terminal. So let's have a look. What is the command that can show the list of all the DBs whatever you have created? So let's see. The command is show databases. So when I try to enter this, you can see that all the list of the databases, whatever I have entered over here, you can see that what the database is. If I go and just move this one, all the databases from top to bottom, you can see that it's there, right? So this is how you are able to get all the list of the existing databases using the command show databases. Okay. So what the command is show databases. So it will list down all the databases existing in that one. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.